What year is this truck?
2018.
It's really laggy.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, people want to see how to do it and that it worked. Alright, so that's the negative over there.
You need more light now?
No, it's okay. This guy does not want to come out.
Those are emergency. I won't work on your car.
Yeah, I know. I have to get.
I gotta go take it back. Unless you need them. You got wires over here, bro.
Yeah, no, it's gotta go upward. There we go. It's not about seeing, it's about feeling the clips. I got one side out and then I...
Brace for impact, we're going down.
You got one loose there.
Going it?
Yeah.
Alright. Here, try to get in here. Okay, needle nose pliers.
Oh.
Took out the airbag. There's your airbag.
I'll hold the steering wheel.
There we go. Controls are off. Let me know
Because once you strip it, you know what? If that's what they say.
Oh, this is great. I didn't even think about having one that does this.
All breakable.
Yeah, mine. I don't think mine does.
I got one. You bought one of them? You could have kept the one that Chris had.
What is that, the horn?
You recording or what?
Yeah. Is that the horn?
Why is it flashing up top? No, this is the steering wheel. Since
Let's see what's happening.
Yeah.
wow, so many people struggle taking that off.
The older cars.
No, on this one. It goes that way. I saw that.
Did I watch you put it in upside down?
There we go.
What?
This is the tightness.
Grabbing the top. Then you're gonna go.
Okay.
Wow. It's really laggy.
It's okay about lag, Nick. It doesn't record the lag.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Wow. I still only see the steering wheel underneath.
That's it? You put the wires back in already?
Yep.
Where you put that steering?
You might hear a knock, like boom, pop. I guess not. Okay.
Oh, I reckon this thing kicks on by itself too, huh? From that
Well, it's because I probably left it on.
What's that noise? Sounds like the car's about to explode. Can I test the horn?
Except the one in the back controls like the monitor, the battery of the car, the motors.
The brain, the computer.
Yeah.